There are hundreds of them. Photos taken in low light and bright light, in hot rooms and in cold, using specialized materials from acetate to titanium dioxide. The project that produced them was called SX70, where the SX stands for Special Experiment. And these women were at the center of it, but not because they were models. Their most important role was actually behind the camera. That's where all of them helped create one of the greatest corporate success stories of the 20th century, Polaroid. It all starts with genius inventor Edwin Land. While on vacation in 1943, Land had the inspiration for a camera that would let you see, instantly, the photo you'd just taken, something that had never been done before. The trick was finding the right staff to help him realize his vision. Land was open to hiring talent wherever he could find it, and the unexpected source of some of Polaroid's key employees was Smith College, a small women's liberal arts college in Massachusetts. The even more surprising thing about the staff recruited from Smith? Most of them weren't trained in business or the sciences. Land didn't care that the Smith grads weren't technicians yet. Polaroid, which was based in Cambridge, could send its new hires to MIT and Harvard for all the chemistry, physics, and optics classes they needed. He knew that combining the young women's artistic backgrounds with technical skills would make them research and development powerhouses. Eudoxia Mueller was hired straight out of Smith, where she'd written her senior thesis on 3D imaging techniques. And in 1943, staffed the lab where SX70 was born. In December of that year, she became the first person in the world to see an instant picture. 2 years later, another Smith grad, one who would become extremely important to the company, joined the project. Her name was Maroy Marston Morse. And within only a few years of starting at Polaroid, she rose to run the lab in charge of photographic materials. At a time when next to no women held C-suite roles, she became Land's advisor and confidant, co-signing patents as a key contributor to the company. Land asked everything of his employees. Work was life, and life was work. No one promoted the company's work ethic more than Morse, who ran her lab literally around the clock. She embodied what Polaroid was all about: relentless curiosity and effort. Morse once wrote to Land, "A day is all too short. It always seems to me that we just really get warmed up to our problems and then it's time to quit." But the truth is that the women behind the camera never did. And because of their dedication, Polaroid became a multi-billion-dollar business that forever changed the culture, even after its prince had long since faded. To learn more, watch Mr. Polaroid and like and subscribe for more from American Experience.